There is something Peter Ameh said in this video. This our young man says something concerning Akpabio. I don't want to say it. Hear it from the horse's mouth.
It's an extension of the executive. There's no doubt. It's sad because Akpabio is somebody I know, and I've always felt when he was in PDP that he contributed well to his state. But since he got to the National Assembly, I think he has destroyed what is left of the National Assembly. Independence of the National Assembly. He has collapsed the institution there to become like a state executive affair, because it's under his watch that I found out that it has made the National Assembly, that is supposed to be a very respected chamber, that is supposed to be a collective representative of our people, because it's not meant to represent the interest of a party. When you are speaker, or you are Senate President, you are Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So you're no longer working for interest of one party, though you came from a platform of party, but as you gather there, you are supposed to put the interest of Nigeria at heart. But what I have seen, it is under his watch that I found out that the executive had no respect for the National Assembly. They do not want to communicate with them. The National Assembly found out, I remember when people confronted Akpabio about the president buying a jet. He said, no, as soon as the president brings the request, they will approve it. Till today, the president has not taken the request there, and the jet is already flying all over the world. So you can see that there's no respect even for them, for what they are supposed to stand for as the major institution that is supposed to go and do proper check on the executive by doing oversight functions. Because the primary purpose of the National Assembly, primary purpose, is to make law for good governance and development of the country. Primary purpose. And then you do what they call this oversight work by making sure that whatever budget that is brought before you aligns with the reality of our time. It is not a misaligned allocation of resources. It was an intention to overpad resources for personal use, but for the benefit of the general public. But what we have today is that they are more interested in feeding their own ego, in feeding their own interest, than feeding the interest of the people. And on that same issue, you can find out that somebody is a Senate President, and the President will walk in, and the old people will be singing, on your mandate we shall stand. When you make requests for clarity on an issue, it's democracy. When you seek for accountability, it's democracy. When you seek for responsibility, it's democracy. Today, we don't have physical responsibility and physical discipline of our public resources. We don't have physical responsibility and physical discipline of our public resources. And the man is at the Senate who was elected by his people from his district. A man at his House of Reps who was elected by his people from his constituency is telling me that I do not expect him to fight the president.
I hope you heard what Peter said in this video concerning Akpabio. But I want to add something. If you don't have money, you don't have somebody in the government, and you have case, that case will go against you. The common hope of the common man, that is the judiciary, they are no longer giving us what we want. If you don't have somebody or you don't have money, you will lose case. In addition to this, if you don't have somebody, no job, no security in this country. Now, according to what Peter said in this video, honestly, I don't know why Akpabio is behaving like this. When he was governor of Akpabio, he did wonders. He did a good job. But now he becomes Senate. Watch the case between him and Senator Natasha. May God save us in this country. You can drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's know what you think. For more videos and upload like this, subscribe. May God help us in this country. Amen. Bye.